Hello. You know what I love the most about Ramadan in the motherland? The absolute silence. It's just you and the birds from like now until 4 o'clock. It's really nice. Anyways, today we're headed to the farm. We got so much work to do. Let me show you today's job. We've been keeping these lovely tomatoes from our own like kitchen, basically. These are leftovers. We've been cooking with them, and we realized all of a sudden some of them started budding, and we're like, no, these gotta go to the farm. Way more better use at the farm instead of in our pot. So inshallah, that's our farm duty today. So we're gonna go ahead to the farm, get some work done before, you know, the usual time where you start to lose all your energy during fasting. But inshallah, let's get there. ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلماته. A moment for God's creation. So beautiful. And these are all gonna bud and make a beautiful precious flower like this. MashaAllah, subhanallah. Those are my kind of Ramadan delights, okay? I love beautiful pieces of nature like that. Verily, Sham is ready for service today. Yeah, what's the plan? We put potato onto the ground and we planted the second cilantro. Cilantro has to be every 2 weeks in order to continue serving, continue harvesting. You have to plant it twice, every 2 weeks. So we put in to the ground the second cilantro. Job done. Now the real work begins. Soon we're going to be driving through some cornfields. This farmer's already got his crops growing. It's beautiful. Love to see it. Okay. Did you guys get? Okay, I'm about to switch into my farming shoes. It's for the mud. They're men's shoes. Hangol, can you get a mat? Ready for work? Yeah. Get you. Love it. The meat truck is coming. Can't wait for them to stare. So, I've mastered the stare back. It's your given right here in Somaliland to stare back when being stared at. They're still staring. So we always gotta come on over and check the water. And I do this because I want to show you that it's gotten much cleaner than last time. A lot of it has settled. And it'll continue to settle. When it settles, it's very clean. Green. Love it. Okay, the thing I'm most excited about here is our peppers. Bonus, they came back to life. Love it. We have so much weeding to do. I'm gonna need a shovel. Some bamia coming through. Bamia is okra. Awesome. So where should we put the potatoes?
Lincoln.
Okay. Did I get the yamba or something? Yeah. Okay, I gotta bring the whole digger. Digger the kid. Alright, I'm learning how to delegate. Keep going. Asit to me ang karama. I think asit. Kupila na eh. It's a big one. Job done. We're gonna have potatoes in a few weeks. How long does potato take, Mom?
The harvest is 3 months.
3 months? Okay, never mind. Not a few weeks. 3 months.
Then the swab hit is 2 weeks.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Next week you will see potato.
Inshallah. Okay, back to our priority job in the greenhouse. Haram, haram, haram. I can already see. Haram, haram.
Lots of haram.
Weeding. Oh, that's not as tall as we thought it was going to be. It's already, how much is Ramadan? Ramadan's 15 days, 2 weeks. So this is a stunted growth
But
again.
I see improvement though. There's no bald spot.
Yeah, you're right. We did better than last time.
Look at this. It's better than before.
Even lines.
Even lines.
Just a bit slower than we hoped. Maybe if we pour that magical fertilizer.
The boost.
Yeah. Okay, so as usual, we've soaked some. And we're going to start. What did you say?
We need a lot of water here. To soak. حتى بيه بيستوي الصبح.
A little bit of weeding. I can't reach that. Yeah, there's totally garanwa growing inside. What did you say? It came with the manure?
It came with the big one.
It's everywhere. Get out, Neo.
The yellow is good and bad. You have a whole field growing garanwahad. Since they grow in slow, we should put the other patch
In there?
in there. You have half a
Okay.
or half line or it's so hard.